Yo, babe. No, man. Remember me I deal with the mango them for you know. You say you want mango, though. Yeah, man, that's some mango me I deal with. Alright, man, call you back later. No, man, I bring you mango them for you, man. Love you, bye.
No way, love it.
You remember that thing we tell me about? Yeah. Jesus Christ, my brother.
And I'm telling you.
Me bingo.
So give me one now.
You want me out.
Oh,
I want me out, but me can't get out.
go for your house and when you go then me go next.
We can't do that, you know.
Oh, yeah.
We can't do that, you know.
Yo,
We
yeah.
can't do that. Dog, I never know
Hold on,
you up so easy.
Hold on. My baby mother call. Yes, Punchy. Me change him shit again. Alright, me come. You can't clean. Alright. Me have to go and go clean me son.
My own.
Do again.
One man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no,
Put in a stroke for
Yeah,
me
I'm
then.
saying you wait for that. You fool like.
Get me up.
My head drop.
Jay. Yes. Yes, I see him. Yes. I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.
Be a one. You know, sir, somebody me out there say wait pan.
Lie.
No, somebody me wait pan, man.
Why you out here?
Alright, me I tell you the truth. Remember you did link me and say you want like a mango?
Mhm.
See mango tree over there, so. Babe, one dog over there, but me I wait till he go sleep, then me jump the fence for mango for you.
Finger.
Why you not believe me? Everything me say to you, you think I lie.
So you telling me that you're not 60 foot, 26 waiting for tech cocky, 24?
Saw you that?
So
you catfish me contender?
why you here? Why you here? Huh?
Babe, me never know, sir. So how I money them?
Yeah.
Hold on. Every time me tell
Yes.
you say me broke, I mean I send this girl money, are you?
Yes?
Give me my money.
Go in the house.
Me want my
Go in
money.
the house.
Me want.
Go in the house.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.